Hi, this is Mr. Waterman. Today we're talking about lesson 5.5, using inequalities in a triangle. So, a couple concepts here. So, we've got this triangle ABC up top here, and so what it's showing is that we have one side, BC here, that has a length of 5, and then we have another side, length A, or side AB, that has a length of 8. Using what we're learning today, we can figure out which angle is smaller. So 8 is longer than 5, so this angle, angle C, is going to be larger in measure than angle A. So that's the concept we're working with. But we're always talking about the angle that's opposite the side. Okay, so what this says is AB, side AB, the one I did in green, is bigger than the length of BC. So our conclusion is measure angle C is greater than the measure of angle A. Likewise, we can take, if we start with some known angle measures, down in this example, then we can make some conclusions about the sides that are opposite them. So in this drawing, side BC is opposite the bigger angle. 50 degrees, measure angle A is greater than measure angle C. So what that means is side BC, the length of BC, is greater than AB. Okay, so let's see if we can go apply this. So
Big
draw
side, big angle, small side, small angle.
Whoa, what was that? Draw an acute scalene triangle. Find and label the largest angle on the longest side. So acute scalene, that means all three angles are going to be acute. Okay, and find and label the largest angle on the longest side. I almost drew an isosceles. This is sad. Okay, so we have this brilliant triangle that magically went from green to orange. And so we need to find and label the smallest angle on the shortest side and the largest angle and the largest side. So this is the longest side right here. All right, we'll call this side AB. So AB is longest. Therefore, that means that angle C is the biggest. Is the largest angle. Okay, and then they also asked us to find the shortest side. So let's see. Shortest side appears to be BC. Okay, so we'll say that's the shortest, and then we have to go find which angle is the smallest, and that is question 1. So you tell me which angle is the smallest angle. All right, next concept is called the triangle inequality theorem. And this one's a little harder at first, but it really makes sense once you start using it. So in English, it says the sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the length of the third side. So with that, you can actually write 3 inequalities. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through an example. So this example 3, we have a triangle has one side of length 11. So we'll call that side CB on my little sketch. And another has a length of 6. So we'll call that side AC. Describe the possible lengths of the third side. So AB can have a few different things going into it. So first of all, if I add these two together, the sum of these two has to be greater than the length of AB. So we can say 6 plus 11 must be greater than the length of AB. All right? So that's one inequality we can write. We can also write a couple other inequalities. So also if we take something like AB and put it on, and add it to 6,